Alright guys, today we are going to look at the mitosis and the cell cycle assignment. And it's set up kind of like a quiz, but you will have multiple attempts and your highest score will be kept. So you can keep doing it until you get them all right. There's only 12 questions. The function of mitosis is it to create egg and sperm? No, that's the function of meiosis. This is for cell growth and repair. Reduce the number of chromosomes by half is also meiosis. Which of the following lists the phases of mitosis in the proper order? If you remember PMAT, you'll get the order correct every time. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, then telophase. Now, telophase isn't part of this one, so it's just going to be prophase, metaphase, anaphase. Chromosomes first become visible in this phase. That's going to be in prophase. Metaphase, they're already visible and lining up. Interphase, they're not yet visible. They're being copied and all that good stuff. Question number 4. Chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell during this phase. Middle is metaphase. In anaphase, they're being pulled apart in anaphase, and in prophase, well, they're becoming visible at that point. These structures pull the chromosomes apart. Centromeres are the middle section of the chromosomes. Chromatids are what we call individual chromosomes, so spindle fibers are what can be pulling them apart. Number 6. DNA is replicated during this phase. Okay, so in anaphase, it's already being replicated and pulled apart. Interphase is where it's replicated. That's whenever that S phase occurs for synthesis. Metaphase, they've already been replicated because they're lining up in the middle. Question number 7. Spindle fibers pull the chromosomes to opposite poles of the cell during this phase. So they're being pulled apart. Apart is anaphase. Metaphase is middle. Prophase is where they become visible. A human cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes. Following mitosis, the daughter cells would each have a total of blank chromosomes. So we're not talking about pairs anymore. A pair is 2. So if you have 23 pairs, that's going to be 46 total chromosomes. And each individual daughter cell will have a total of 46 chromosomes. Which of the following is not a stage of mitosis? So PMAT is the stage, P-M-A-T. So we have a P, we have an A, we don't have any diphases. This is a disorder in which cells have lost their ability to control mitosis and they rapidly replicate. That's going to be cancer. Sickle cell anemia is a genetic condition along with cystic fibrosis, and if you did the genetic disorder research, maybe you picked one of those two to do it on. Which of the following statements is false? Cells in interphase have condensed chromosomes. During cytokinesis, the cytoplasm splits in two. That is true. And plants also undergo mitosis. Also true, plants do grow. So it's going to be this one here. Cells have condensed in interphase. They have not. That doesn't happen until prophase. Which of the following statements is true? Chromosomes are duplicated during metaphase. No, that's the S phase of interphase. Interphase is a resting stage of mitosis. Well, that is true. Let's see what the last one is. Mitosis is only a small part of the cell cycle. That's also, it is a small section if you look at the pie chart. So I'm going to go with that last one on that one because while interphase is resting, it also is part of the cell growing and it's part of synthesis where the DNA is replicating. So the cell is not just hanging out there. Interphase is also made for checkpoints to make sure that the cell is duplicating its DNA correctly and everything is going according to plan. So we'll go with that last one being the best true statement. And that's it for this assignment. All right, have a good day, guys.